are here to celebrate the bonfire, and we're just waiting for the fireworks. Let me. Oh, light! Come here.
This is my
It's freezing.
so cold.
Yeah, it's really cold. We just arrived. We went to a huge queue to go to the toilet. Right?
What? I didn't hear.
We went to the toilet, and there was a huge queue. Yeah, but now we're just waiting, and there's a huge fire. There. Oi. Yeah, because the fireworks starts at 9, so we're just waiting.
No, it's 8.
8? Yeah. The fireworks starts at 8. We're so confused.
Alam, yun tong querido. Kasi clear. Era finito. Ali.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the final
ready?
time this evening, please put your hands together for the Impact Artists.
Yes.
In a short while,
Yes.
I would like to welcome you to the best firework display in London, in my opinion. Enjoy.
So when you call up that shrink in Beverly Hills, you know the one, Dr. Everything be alright.
Hi guys, I'm finally back home after 1.5 hours inside of a bus, but finally at home. My hands were frozen and my legs as well, but now I'm so cozy in my house. The fireworks were amazing, I just love it. And also when I was in the park, I wasn't that cold, but during the trip back home I just freezed. And yeah, Mariana is already in her room getting ready because she's coming here to have a reggaeton kind of night. So don't forget to subscribe and give it a like if you enjoy it. And more vlogs are coming soon. I know that I'm not posting regularly, but I've been struggling with uni because this is the last year and I need to do dissertation plus all the other assessments. That's why I'm not putting that much videos. But I love you guys so much, so keep in touch, please. Thank you. Bye.